for today's video, I found this really cool website that's for free, and you can mix colors together to make new colors. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that now. So here's this website, and I will leave a link in the description down below where you can get to it, okay? So it's called TryColors, and as you can see, there's a blank page here at the top, and what you're gonna do is look at all the colors here at the bottom, and basically you can just match them up and mix them up and make different color combinations, okay? So you've got the standard red, yellow, and blue here, and I'll show you them first. Here's yellow, so that's yellow. Then just go to the minus and it's gone. Then here's red, there's red. Just click on the minus and it's cleared out again. And then here's blue. That's more of the traditional blue that they have here. However, you can clear it by hitting the minus, and you can do a lighter blue here, okay? And then basically this is just for people who maybe don't have paint, or maybe their crayons have broken, or they're too small, or your ink and your markers has run out or something. Okay, this website allows you to go up in here for free, and you can make different combinations of anything you want, really, using all of these colors here. Let me just show you a few combinations here, and then I'll end the video at that, and then you can go to the link in the description and then play with it, okay? So, for example, I've got red here, and then if I want to mix it with yellow, I just go to yellow here and click it, and now you've got red and yellow that make orange here. So let's clear that. Let's try another one here. Let's go with yellow, and then let's go with blue. And then as you can see here, it's made green. All right, now depending on your computer or what you're seeing, it may not look like as green as you want, but it is green. Okay, so I'm just showing you, and again, you can mess around with this on your own and try different combinations here. Okay, so let's clear that. Let's try another combination here. Let's try blue and red, and that makes purple. Okay, and again, if you want to make it darker or lighter, or you just want to play around with the colors, you just go here to like red, and you can increase it, but then you can go to blue and also increase it. As you can see, it's just basically making it the same here, like that. Okay, so by adding more of something, you can change the colors here. So like I'm doing blue here, and it's, you know, you can go here to plus it, or down here it minuses it, and then it can make it as much of a color that you want. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this website here so you have an idea that there are sources out there on the internet for free where you can go and you can do this. Okay, you don't need paintbrushes, you don't need crayons to do this. All right, it's a free link, and I just wanted to share it with you so you can see what it looks like. So that's today's video, and again, head on over to the link down below and you can go to this website, and it's absolutely free. So that'll do it for today's video, and as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.